Merry Christmas, Mono.
Merry Christmas.
It's your first Christmas with your loving family.
Merry Christmas. See all the presents in the snow.
What'd you get? What kind of presents did you get?
Oh,
I got a new camouflage waistband.
And a Robo-Rat.
And a Robo-Rat.
And that's so funny.
Oh boy. What do you... Oh, Riley doesn't like it. What do you think, Mono? Mono says there's only room for one crazy monkey in this house, and that's me. Merry Christmas, Mono.